Well, hello, my students. I wish I could be there in person, but sometimes it just can't happen, I guess. I want to do non-quadrantal angles in this video. No homework tonight. I'll give you homework tomorrow. This kind of happened pretty quick, so we're going to putz along here. Now, non-quadrantal angles, how do you find them? Well, the first thing you do is you have to find the sign of the trig function with the angle that's given. Now, we've gone over this in class a lot, so just remember, it's all students take classes, or all students take calculus. So they're all positive in the first, sine is positive in the second, tangent in the third, cosine in the fourth. So once you change the sign, or find the sign would be a better way to say it, then you switch the angle with the reference angle. Now the reference angle has to be between 0 degrees and 90, and it's made with the terminal side and the closest x-axis. So, if I say, what's the sine of 150 degrees? Well, you'd say, okay, I like to make a drawing. Don't have to, but I like to. 150 is right here. So it's in the second quadrant. Sine is positive in the second. Sine is y over r, and y is going up, which is positive. So therefore it's positive, and the reference angle is the angle made with the terminal side and the closest x-axis. So that would be 30 degrees, because it's 150 to here, it'd be 30 to complete it. And the sine of 30 is a half. So if I said, what's the cosine of 300? Well, 300's in the fourth quadrant. There it is. So you would say, well, cosine's positive in the fourth, and the reference angle is 30 degrees, or excuse me, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. And the cosine of 60 is a half. So if I said, what's the tangent of 135? I paused. So you'd say, okay, that's the second quadrant. So tangent is negative in the second quadrant, and tangent's negative, and the reference angle is 45 degrees. So tangent of 45 is 1, so it'd be negative 1. So if I said, what's the sine of 210? You would say, okay, let's see. 210 would be in the third quadrant. Sine is negative. And the reference angle is made with the closest x-axis in the terminal side. So it'd be a negative 1/2. So I'm going to have you practice problems due in the next video. So